Color TV. Color TV machiegni pacho. Ma e odwa.
Amosilmi sawa janeno mano mar Color TV agero ni kamora mora maintie intire makare odichengne mano mar Tich Adek tarik 22 dono mar ang'wen higa 2026 en kindego mawuoyo weche manyien mago maga machiegni pacho mokwongo ka uthondo wechego. Kweth mobalo kod piny owacho chako ayanga limbe margi e gwenge ma Ukambani.
Wanaumia kama Wakenya wenzao. Kwa hivyo ndio tunasema kwa kauli moja, wakati umesalia mdogo, sasa tujikomboe.
Jatend migao Wycliffe Oparanya olero ni atamalo 95 mag rowere mabende ne omiyo omenda mag nyota nyaka sani osechako timo ohala.
Ninafuraha 95% ya wale vijana ambao walifanya initial training tayari wanaendelea na biashara yao.
Tend County mano ma Migori ka omakore kod UNICEF ochako chenro mano mar bero wechego mago mag thieth e county ma Migori.
The county, we have received support in the area of mother and child care.
Ibedo koda nyaka giko nyinga Nelly Achieng ndhine jaloko mara Bella Achieng. Jalup jatend piny Kenya Kithure Kindiki ne otimo limbe gwenge ma Elda Maravine County mano ma Baringo kama bende ne odhi yawo chenro mago mopogore opogore mag dongruok e gweng'no. Jalup jatend piny Kenya ne otiyo kod thuolono mano mar twak kod oganda mago ma bende wuok e gwengego kama bende ne oseyo kweth mano ma obalo kod piny owacho ka owacho ni onge kod thuolo mano mar duoko kod ng'ano kata ng'ata to en mana kod thuolo mano mar chwalo tich makare ne oganda jo Kenya.
Iko watu wengine washenzi walipewa kazi ya kusaidia rais, badala ya kufanya kazi kulingana na katiba wanaenda kushindana na rais, wanajifanya hata hao ni marais, wakafukuzwa. Saa hii wanatuongelesha na kutupigishia kelele wakiwa huko nje. Sisi hatutachukua muda wetu kujibizana na watu ambao wanakaa kama wamechanganyikiwa. Mimi unataka nijibizane na mtu mwenda wazimu? Nijibizane na watu wamechanganyikiwa? Nijibizane na kila mtu ambaye anatusi sisi? Waendelee na mambo yao, tutawanyorosha. Dawa ya siasa sio kelele. Dawa na kiboko ya siasa sio kuongea sana. Ni kura inapigwa, mmoja anashinda, mwingine anashindwa. Hawa jamaa wataona siku mrefu next year. Wakifika hapa, kabla waanze hiyo Kiingereza yao, kabla waanze matusi, uwaulize, wewe Kalonzo Musyoka ulikuwa vice president miaka 5, tuonyeshe project moja ambayo ulitetea ukiwa naibu wa rais wa Kibaki hapa Esageri. Kuna project walileta hapa? Waliwahi kufika hapa wakiwa kwa mamlaka? Waliwahi kufika hapa? Ule mwingine Rigathi ameshaifika hapa? Kuna kitu ametetea hapa Baringo? Kuna barabara ameleta? Kuna soko kama hii amekuja kusidikisha? Kwa hivyo sisi kesi yetu itaamuliwa next year na wananchi kwa debe. Hii kiburi yote tunamalizia naye hapa.
Kweth mano makwedo piny owacho ka otelnegi kod jatend duond bura mano mar Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka ochako ayanga limbe mar gwengego mag Ukambani kama bende ne olero ni oganda jo Kenya mathoth sani to koro chal kagima osejok kod telo mano mar Ruto nikech kod achiedh nade mago mathoth ma bende gineno e telo ni. Bende giwacho ni oganda ojok kod telo makamano wera ni nitiere midhiero mago mathoth e sectors mopogore opogore pacho kae kanyo ma oting'o sekta no mano mar somo, sekta mar thieth kaachiel kod nengo ngima ma oidho.
Wanaumia kama Wakenya wenzao. Kwa hivyo ndio tunasema kwa kauli moja, wakati umesalia mdogo, sasa tujikomboe. Uchaguzi unaokuja sio uchaguzi wa kawaida. Huu ni uchaguzi wa kukomboa Kenya. Wewe mwenyewe uko tayari? Wangapi wako tayari kukomboa nchi yao? Na tukikomboa tutakuwa pamoja. Wakenya wameamua kutoka mlima Kenya mpaka pwani tunakoelekea, kutoka upande wa Northeastern, mtaona wengine hapa, kutoka Ingo Western Kenya, kila mahali Wakenya wamechoka. Ninaona, unajua wanatuogopa sana. Wakiona Kalonzo na Rigiji na MJB na Eugene wanaelekea mahali, wanatoa bai. I hope hii pesa pa capitation. Sasa shule nyingi hazifanyi kazi, walimu hata mambo yao yanaharibika. Naona katibu wa elimu anasema ametoa pesa ndio by Friday, Ijumaa, leo ni Jumatano. Kama Ijumaa hiyo pesa itakuwa haijafika kwa mashule, huyo katibu wa Ruto atakuwa anaonyesha yeye ni kama mkubwa yake. Uongo mtupu. Watu wamechoka na uongo Kenya hii.
Nimeona gazeti ya Kasongo inaandika ati jana kulikuwa maandamano, Rigiji, Kalonzo hawakuonekana. Sisi bado tangaza maandamano. Mlisikia tukitangaza? Sisi tunapanga maandamano. Na ile maandamano tunapanga sio ile Kasongo amezoea. Ati ya siku mbili watu wanarudi. Ile maneno tunataka kupanga. Kwanza tunataka ihusishe kila mtu. Tutafutane na watu ya Linda Mwananchi. Tutafutane na Gen Z. Tutafutane na United Opposition. Tutafutane na Wakenya tupange vizuri. Number 2, hatutaki tu kuongea mambo ya mafuta. Hii maandamano kwa sababu itakuwa kali. We must put all the issues. Mambo ya mafuta, mambo ya ABC, mambo ya vitambulisho, mambo ya wizi. Na nikwambie Kasongo, wewe ulizoea Raila anafanya maandamano, unaita unamwingisha kwa serikali, maandamano inaisha. Ile itakuja hakuna mtu utaita atuingize kwa serikali. Ile maandamano inakuja, the demands we make will be met. Akina Murkomen, hii watu ya guns lazima wakwende. Hiyo maneno itakuwa hapo ndani. Mambo ya mafuta lazima. Mambo ya IBC lazima. Hao watu ya vitambulisho wanapeana vitambulisho haraka kwa Ruto huko kwao Rift Valley. Hapa Ukambani mnangoja mwezi 5. Huko Mlimani tunangoja mwezi 7.
Poido kanyo ni doho ne oweyo thuolo jogo makedo ne ratiro mago mabende ne ondhiyo odiechieng' mano manyoro e kindego mane ging'anyo ka gikwedo nengo ma oidho mago mag modhi e pacho kae. Doho no ne oweyo gi thuolo kod omenda mano maching maromo siling 3,000 ng'ato ka ng'ato, ka bende joked ne ratich ogandago itudo kod ketho mago ma opogore kanyo ma bende oting'o rocho chenro mago ma owinjore odhi nyime e chuny boma mano ma Nairobi kocha, rocho chenro go mago mag wuoth e kind ketho mago mamoko.
For police station, each of the accused person shall be awarded a cash bail of 3,000. The issue of proving the kind of offense shall be raised during trial as this forms part of the evidence to be tendered in court. We shall have a mention date for the trial and supply of witness statements and all documentary evidence by the prosecution. In the logistics council, what is the time? It's around noon. Yes, so logistics of having them back to the station, taken to a medical facility, we don't know whether the doctor is here or not, confirm the age, have the report brought back to court, it's not practical. So they be escorted by the OCS, we shall mention tomorrow to confirm their age. If the family members are there to bring birth certificates or any document to prove their age, then well and good. And kindly counsel, advise your clients accordingly. Let us just respect the reports. You don't have to make noise to be heard. We are heard even by being silent.
Kawarango weche mago mamoko wayudo kanyo ni jatend migao mano mabende ochung'ne ohelni mago matindo tindo e pacho kae Wycliffe Oparanya olero kanyo ni atamalo 95 mago mag rowere mabende ne omi omenda mano mar chako ohala mar Nyota nyaka gie sani thothgi osechako timo ohala gino mabende en ranyisi makende ni rowere maket koda mago ne nitiere kod chenro makare mano mar neno ni gidongo ngimagi. Bende weche maket koda magi ne osir kod Henry Rotich.
Nina furaha, nimetembea karibu Kenya mzima, nimepata reports ya hii program. Nina furaha 95% ya wale vijana ambao walifanya initial training tayari wanaendelea na biashara yao. Na lengo ya hii project ni kuwezesha wewe kijana kufanya biashara. Biashara ndio njia ya pekee wewe unaweza kuwa tajiri. Ukisema wewe unatafuta kazi, unaenda unaandikwa shilingi 20,000 mahali, hata ufanye miaka 20, uombe Mwenyezi Mungu, na hiyo ndio mshahara wewe unapata kwa mwezi, shilingi 20,000. Wakitoa hiyo vitu vingine unapata 15,000. Uwezi kuwa tajiri. Wewe umepata hii nafasi, ni kama umepata hii nafasi uitumie vizuri. Ndio kwa sababu tulisema uje training. That training was very important for you to be an entrepreneur, to get proper skills for you to do your business. Na tulisema kila Mkenya ana nafasi kupitia kwa mtandao.
Kitu moja tu yenye nawaomba ndugu zangu na dada zangu, tumesoma imetosha. Si tumesoma? Pesa ya kwanza ilikuja na biashara, nasikia mmeendelea vizuri kwa report nimepewa. The only favor you can do everyone as a patriotic youth, please stick to that line ya biashara. Ndio hata tukiongea yote yenye tunaongea mwaka huu na mwaka ujao na kila kitu, mwishowe waziri anarudi kwake nyumba, mimi narudi kwetu nyumba, wewe unarudi kwako nyumba. Kama ukufanya kitu leo unalala njaa, ama kama ulifanya vizuri familia inashiba na unaajiri wengine na Kenya inasonga mbele. Extremely important. My only request is, because the president wants us to create employment through this project, sio ndio tunafanya? Na naona vijana wengi ni wandogo hapa. Tujaribu sana, tutumie pesa vizuri, tuweze kujiajiri zaidi na kuajiri wengi. I plead with you young people on matters of discipline. Sawa sawa.
Jagoro mano maongirore migao mano mar somo Julius Bitok oyangoni sikunde mago mapacho kae biro bedo kae cholo negi omenda mago mag sir chakre kawuono ni motelo ne yepo mago mag sikunde juma mar manyien. Omedo ni chenro mano mar somo santo koro dhi nyime kata somo manono dhi nyime e yono makare, makmana ni pod nitiere achiedh nade maka kod kacha kanyo ma oting'o rem kata onge mar omenda mar siro kit somo makamano, to kata kamano weche duto te ne kare.
To reaffirm that free education policy in Kenya is still intact and is in place, despite the teething problems that we have seen in the financing gaps. I want to say that as a State Department, we are doing everything possible to ensure that we get enough resources to fund free primary, free day secondary, and free junior education in Kenya. However, we have had challenges with the fiscal space, as I presented, and it was worse during the previous government because, as you're all aware, we have been able to increase the budget that is going to education from about 490 million in 2022 to more than 700 billion in 2025. So we've been really increasing, but the demand continues to be huge. So in as far as what we expect the principals to do, despite these budget constraints, we have been encouraging our principals to stick to the budget. And if there is any school which requires additional money for some reason, they request and get approval through the County Education Board. And we have been approving requests from time to time through the County Education Board, whether they want to buy a bus, whether they want to do some additional infrastructure. That has been the procedure going forward. And I want to reaffirm that exchequer requests have been going to schools. We have confirmations. And on capitation, we have been working very hard to ensure that there are no delays. Like, for example, in last term, we released the money before schools opened. That is in January 2026. This time also, we are also releasing money for capitation as early as today, as we wait for schools to open next week. I want to confirm to the House that we have received the money from the National Treasury, and today we are going to wire the capitation money, the 23.4 billion, to all our schools around the country.
Migao mano mar thieth olando ni biro bedo kod medruok mago mag landruok mag tuoche kaluwore kod taka ma bende giwacho ni sani to koro ok wete yono makare e thoth bombe mago mapocho kae. Kane oloso kinyi mano makawuono kod jokanyono mago mag sekta e boma mano mar thieth kata e sekta no mano mar thieth e boma ma Nairobi kocha, jatend migao ma ongirore e migao no Mikai Mudhoni ne okoni jo Kenya mathoth sani to koro nyalo gamo tuoche kaluwore ni kod taka mago ma bende igolo e udi omedore kod ka bende nyaka gi sani atamalo 10 kende e maseche moko ithiedho kata iloso mawiti e yono makare.
To address the urgent issue of sanitation and waste crisis, Kenya today is currently facing a dual crisis. 22,000 tons of unmanaged waste are generated on a daily basis, with only 10% adequately managed. So this is leading to a rising threat of wash-related diseases like cholera, mpox, and other diseases. And the ministry has used this platform to ensure that we bring to the fore and seek support from other agencies, from the private sector, from civil society, because this issue of waste management, issues of wash-related diseases, it is not a one-man show. It is a collective responsibility for the government and equally the private sector, the civil society, so that we can ensure that there are no diseases or ailments that are getting our people at the bottom of the pyramid. We are in the middle of March, April, May rains. When the rain falls and the feces are swept off, they will come to our mainstream, the source of our waters, whether it is in taps, whether the water is coming to taps or into a well, they'll come from where it is contaminated most. And that is where we are very, very keen right now about sanitation and water. The Epuka Uchafu Afya Nyumbani campaign definitely clears this. We are dealing with personal hygiene, issues of even washing of hands, as simple as that.
Yena mondo miaga moya to kata kamano nitiere oganda go machol na ote machuok kokalo kuom yor tudruok marwa mano mar Facebook. Jogo moting'o Jamtao Dawasi wachona kanyo ni Nelly asedonje chenro from Awasi Boda kendo abet mos kaneno news maler sana Awasi Boda. Mzee Omanga bende wachoni antiere kodi haneno news e yono makare ka antiere Kaboch. Erokamano nyakuom ote makamano. Jalango Otieno wachoni oyudo weche manyien mag machiegni pacho maler miwuoro. Suzy Suzanne bende wachoni osechopo chenro ka entere e boma ma Kisumu kae. Bang' thuolo machok aduogo kod weche moko.
kod odiochieng' marabora e sikunde ka iduogo pacho, yud thuolo mar kweyo pachi kendo bedo gi mor e chenro mar Bang School. Chenro mar Bang School chakore saa 10:30 mamidhiambo nyaka saa 11 mamidhiambo. Kama inene katun mamori, ipuonjori weche mathoth, ibedo kod mor gi nyiero motimo Cathedral. Kik bai, Bang School, chenro manigi mor lilo ne nyithindo duto. Kala TV, machiegni pacho ma e odwa.
I've fallen and I can't get up.
Komuch to wan kore duoko mag tuke mopogore opogore, jotugo motimogi, kuonde magitimogie, to gin tuke mage mabiro. Mano emomiyo wan ka e chenro mar chal pewe, tudri kodwa wuok tich nyaka tich abich, saa 11 mar midhiambo nyaka saa 12 mar midhiambo. Kama wanyisi motimore e pewe duto mana e Kala TV.
Machiegni kendo wadhi nyime yudo weche manyien. Wayudo kanyo ne duond buch siasa mano mar Jubilee oyango ne gidhi bedo kod jachung'a e yiero mano mar dundo mabende sani chano timo e pacho kae e gwenge mago mopogore opogore, ka bende gilero ni kom mano mar duond bura mar Olkalau ne en margi kendo ber ka owenegi kod duond bura mano mar DCP kaachiel kod duond buche siasa mamoko mabende gin godo kanyo mabende oting'o United Opposition.
But of course, it is actually a practice or what we have done before, that if the candidate or if the leader of that particular constituency or the MP was actually from a particular party, then definitely that party should be given a chance to fill the candidate. That has happened in Bere. And I think the best thing to do for purposes of unity is to actually let Jubilee field a candidate for MP Olkalau. So of course discussions will be there, but I think as far as we are concerned as a party, we are also independent as a party, and I think there are paths that we shall take as a party. Can I assure you that whether there is another candidate from any other party, there will be a Jubilee candidate. Maybe the chairman can assist there. Yes.
Yes. As you know, this Jubilee Party is a party founded on the basis and the tenets of democracy. And the democracy requires that each and every body should be given an opportunity to contest any position that he or she wishes to contest. DCP and all other coalition partners are free also to have their candidates to run for Orikarau seat. But what we are saying is that the Orikarau seat has been occupied by Jubilee Party in the last 2 elections or 3 since the year 2013 up to now. It was the first of all under TNA, subsequently under Jubilee. And in the spirit of togetherness and unity, we have said since this position was held by Jubilee, it will be better for our coalition sisters to also support Jubilee in this by-election. You remember when we had the by-election in Imbere, we were able to be persuaded and we stepped it down in favor of DP, whose candidate we supported. We don't intend to field a candidate in Mruadikri. Our sister or coalition partners will field a candidate and will find it convenient to support the candidate whom they will agree upon. And we also requested them to find it convenient to support a candidate that will be fielding in Orikarau. Of course, if they field their candidates, then we will have, or we'll cross the bridge when we get there. But
Chenro mano maduong' bura mar UDA nitiere godo mano mar tiyo kod jopuonj kaka jogo ma bende biro chung' karango chenro mano mar goyo ombulu e kor gwenge e kaunti mano ma Makueni odiochieng' mano makiny koro to kelo paro mago mathoth. Wachore ni thoth jopuonj mago madongo isundo mar mondo mi ogoch ne jonyuol mar mondo mi obi otim kata ota chenro makamano.
We have seen kutoka last week this regime ya UDA imeandikia walimu wote, all ed teachers, messages, and it has started threatening our teachers that they must be involved katika siasa za UDA. Sisi tunataka kuambia walimu jambo moja. All teachers where you are, wherever you are, hiyo bahasha mnaenda kupewa, ukipatiwa beba uende nayo nyumbani, hatujakataa. Lakini ukifika nyumbani, nenda uangalie watoto wako, nenda ukumbuke wale watoto ambao waliuliwa na hii serikali, nenda ukumbuke ile damu ya Bwake ambayo wameiba 14 billion, na uangalie ile bahasha umepewa. It is less than a quarter of your salary. Na ukiangalia hiyo bahasha, weka pesa chini, kula, do nothing. And I want to give you an assurance to all the teachers, hakuna kitu utafanyiwa. Hata ukikataa kupiga hizo simu, even if you don't mobilize, they will do nothing to you. Wachana na wao, chukua pesa, weka chini. To all teachers, don't do anything. Hakuna kitu watakufanyia. Kila mtu lazima alipe gharama. To invite our teachers, mulipe gharama yenu. Hizo bahasha munaitiwa, gharama ni kukataa kusaidiana na hii serikali ambayo watu wako wamenyanyaswa na hii serikali. Pesa yenu ya matibabu ya insurance, teachers, it is in limbo. Muko kwa shida ambayo mumeingizwa na hii serikali. Tunawaomba hizo bahasha zikikuja, maana zimeanza kupeanwa kutoka leo, muangalie ni kuhusu mbele na kesho ya wazazi wenu, ya watoto wenu ambao mmesomesha. Na wazazi ambao mko hapa, you have been mobilized kwenda kusaidia hii serikali at a time when Kalonzo Musyoka ako tayari kuchukua urais. You are being mobilized 20 people per polling station at a time sisi kama Wakamba we have a serious presidential candidate.
Ten County mano ma Migori komako rekod UNICEF osechako kanyo chenro mano mar bero wechego mago mag thieth ahinya to nyithindo gino mabende osebedo ka kelo pek e kindego mago mabende mine konyore. UNICEF olero ni giikore mano mar kedo kod lwenjego mago mag dhoudi, nono wechego mago mag ohala e kind weche mamoko.
This is about strengthening partnership, as was rightly said. We are here to visit some of these field visits to some of the health centers to see some of the good work that has been done. The three critical takeaway for us as UNICEF is about ensuring how we can better support on maternal and child health services, ensuring that the CIDPs and EADBs are able to sustain the investment that is already being made. It is also about addressing the triple threat. There is a UNICEF program, there is also a UN joint program on triple threat which addresses the SGBV, the sexual and gender-based violence, FGM, and teenage pregnancy. And the third area is about public health emergency outbreak, which also includes POSH services. So we would like to see how we can better strengthen our collaboration and support the government on few critical indicators that would really help Migori to take that leadership. And so I would
as a county, we have received support in the area of mother and child care. We have received support in areas of capacity building to our CHPs and our health staff so that we are able to respond to situations. So today we have this very powerful delegation from UNICEF to review how we have traveled together and also look at what priorities we have in Migori County. We have embarked on an ambitious plan of putting up facilities in our level 4 hostels that are for mothers and are also for newborn. Those facilities will require equipping. The health staff we have will require capacity building. They will also require other commodities. We have discussed that with UNICEF, and they have promised that they will look at that because we continue building.
UNICEF touches on the core aspects of life because they touch on mothers, they touch on children, and these are the two people who bring future. If you look at the status of Migori County, teen pregnancy is very high. Amongst other counties in Kenya, I think our number is very high. And so to choose Migori County is a very good thing, and we are very grateful for that. I must also thank the county government of Migori because I've learned today that they are planning to put up a rescue center in Nyatike, and it will not only deal with the FGM, but beyond that, there are women who are beaten, there are boys who are molested. There are so many things around triple threat.
Yena mundo mia yenga gekanyo tudrikoda komolo sade kabiro keloni nyendu weche nyinga Nelly Achieng ndine jalo komara Bella Achieng.